Click here to watch XPeng's female humanoid robot walk about like a human. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Duwald. This is Saturday, November 8th, 2025. Today we kick off with the breakthrough Litter Robot 5 Pro, a self-cleaning litter box with dual AI cameras that monitor your cat's health like never before. Next, revolutionary robot dogs in Sichuan are battling fires, showcasing life-saving tech in action. We then delve into XPeng's iron robot with lifelike features, redefining the boundary between man and machine. Waymo is expanding its robotaxi fleet to brave snowy cities, while Unitree's G1 ChefBot delivers a hilarious kitchen meltdown. Each story is a bold step into a future where robotics transforms daily life. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Duwald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about tech breakthroughs unveiled in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.